Hi, Computer Science 1 class. I'm going to give you an introduction into our very last unit of the trimester called Codesters. Now, we have been using a lot of block coding this trimester, and this is an introduction. It's very, very basic and just a real introduction into this. It's not going to delve too deep into text-based coding, meaning that you type in the words to be coded and not drag in blocks. Called Codesters. I'm going to walk you through how to log in for the first time. So I'm going to share my screen and go through that. You want to go to codesters.com, and I will include a link to that site in the email if you need to go back to it. So you'll go to codesters.com. You'll see this screen that comes up. I want you to hit log in. I have already set up your accounts for you. Go to log in, and then find this lighter blue box that says sign in with class key. That will allow you to be in my class so that I can see what you're doing in your progress. The class key, and I will also include that in the email so that you have it later. It's 8E, lowercase e, 0, lowercase o, sorry, lowercase c, looks like an O, C, and then 8, 6. 8E, 0, C, 8, 6. Then hit find my class. Okay, and you should be able to see your name in here. I'm just going to pick one of you right here. Just pick your name, and then the password on all the accounts is Madison321, so all lowercase Madison, M-A-D-I-S-O-N, and then the number 321. Okay, so I will just type that in right here just to show you what the screens look like. Then you'll hit login. Okay, there are 3 lessons in this. I would like you to get through at least the first lesson. If you can do the second and the third, that's great. Okay, each of the lessons will give you a preview into what you're doing, and then you just hit this get started. So you have some things that can drag and drop over here, but it will drag into text. This is your code screen. And then over here on the right is where it will play. So I'm just going to hit this play or run. Okay, and you can see that something happened. The fox came down, it moved a little bit, and it said something. Okay, so that's how you're going to work these lessons. Your instructions will be here at the top, and it will give you some idea of what you need to do. And then you'll run it with this button. That's your submit work. So when you're done with the lesson, you click that to submit it. This one will go on to the next lesson, I believe, and then that's a stop. Okay. Your dashboard screen then, oh, excuse me, I got too far out of here. Your dashboard screen will give you an overview of where you're at with the lessons and a progress bar over on the right side. The first lesson has 18 activities in it, and they're pretty short. Like the one that you just saw, it's not going to take you very long. I hope that you can get through lesson 1, and I will count that as complete for the Codesters unit. Okay, if you can do lesson 2 and lesson 3, that will be great, and I would probably add that as extra credit. But for now, just Codesters lesson 1, those 18 screens, if you can get that done, that will fulfill the Codesters requirement for your grade, and you'll have full credit for it. If you have questions on it, please email me and let me know. I can set up a Zoom call, or I can do a phone call too. Hopefully that is easy enough for the last couple of weeks. That's it for our trimester. That will be the last thing that I am looking for. Hopefully you've also turned in your storytelling club activities and shared those in Scratch. I have not gotten a lot of usernames back yet, so if you haven't done that section, please go ahead and do that, or let me know if there are any issues. Okay, otherwise have fun with this section, and I will Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.